Hi guys, Mr. Santos here. Today we're going to work on a keychain project again, but this time we'll use more tools to make it more creative and to show you another way to work, maybe even an easier way. Alright, let's get started. First, open Onshape. Log in using your username and password, click the Create Document button and name it Keychain. Version 2. Then click Create. Onshape will open your workspace. We don't need all three planes visible right now. Move your mouse to the left side, click the eye icon, and hide the right plane and the front plane. We'll keep only the top plane active. Right-click on the top plane and select View Normal to, so we have a clean, straight view. Once again, we'll design a keychain with dimensions 2.5 inches by 1.5 inches. Click the Sketch button and select the top plane. Now click the arrow next to the rectangle tool and choose Center Point Rectangle. Click at the center, drag outward, and click again to create the rectangle. Now select the Dimension tool. Click one edge and enter 2.5 inches. Click the other edge and enter 1.5 inches. Next, click Extrude. Set the extrusion depth to 0.2 inches or 0.3 inches. You decide, then confirm. So far, this is similar to what we did in the previous project. Right-click and choose View Normal to, then zoom in so we can work more comfortably. Now I want to show you a different way to control and position objects. Click Sketch again and select the face you want to work on. Let's name the sketch Row. Click outside the text box to confirm. Now select the Line tool and activate the Construction option. Draw a horizontal construction line. Press the ESC key to stop drawing. Select the Line tool and Construction again, and draw a vertical construction line. Press ESC again. Why is this important? Because now, when we draw a circle for the keyhole, we can easily control and adjust its position. Select the Circle tool and draw a circle where the construction lines intersect. Use the Dimension tool and set the diameter to 0.2 inches. Now, when you turn off the Dimension tool, you'll notice you can move the circle freely. Left, right, up, or down, until it's exactly where you want it. This gives you more flexibility and makes corrections much easier. Now let's create the hole. Click Extrude. Select Remove Material instead of adding material. Confirm the operation. Great, now we have the hole for the keyring. Remember, always name your sketches and features. Double-click the sketch name and rename it Rectangle or Hole so your project stays organized. You can also move the construction lines or the hole later and the model will update automatically. Now let's add text. Click Sketch and select the face of the keychain. Right-click and choose View Normal. For a better view, you can hold Control and right-click to reposition the view if needed. Select the Text tool. Click where you want the text and type something like, "I love you." Confirm. You can click and drag the text to reposition it. Now let's add a second line of text. Use the text tool again and type something like God, Daddy, or any word you choose. Adjust the size and position until it looks good. Now click Extrude, choose Remove Material. Set the depth to 0.15 inches so it doesn't cut all the way through the keychain. Confirm. Now your text is engraved. If the text looks too close or too large, you can edit it. For example, you can reduce the size to 0.65, move it up or down, and fine-tune the position. To make the design look even better, let's round the edges. Select the Fillet tool. Click on a corner edge and set the fillet size to 0.15 inches. When you select the other edges, Onshape will automatically keep the same value. You can also apply fillets to other curves to improve the overall design. Remember to rename features as you go. This keeps everything organized and easy to edit later. And there it is, your new keychain design. More creative and more professional. You can always come back, adjust dimensions, move text, or change features. Thank you guys. See you next time. God bless you.